I have an amazing noodle recipe for you guys today from the center of China. This Hubei dish translates into hot, dry noodles, and it is a wonderful treat to have. I'm starting with 3 tablespoons of roasted tahini, and this is the process of thinning out the sesame sauce. So about 3 tablespoons mixed with about 3 tablespoons of hot water. And I'm going to add it a little bit at a time so that it starts to kind of seize up when the water and the fat collide. And then afterwards, as you add in more water, the sauce starts to thin out. I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients for the sauce, which includes 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. I have a little bit of the Changking vinegar, as well as some sesame oil, a little bit of sugar, and then a little bit of pepper. Recipe is going to be all down below. It's actually a pretty easy sauce and dish. So once you have that all mixed together, I have some minced up garlic that I've mixed with some water on the side. So that all goes into the sauce for the noodles at the end. I have 2 servings of alkaline noodles, which are the ones traditionally used, but if you don't have that, just use whatever you want, it'll be okay. And I make the noodles at the end so that some of the heat will carry over to the dish as we're finishing it. After tossing the noodles in a bit of sesame oil, I have some preserved mustard greens that are salted, and usually there's some pickled long beans as well. So you have these pickled vegetables. I have some scallions as well, and you just put kind of a tablespoon of each in as you would like. And there you guys go, hot, dry noodles. Dry because there's actually no soup in them, and it's such a yummy and savory and creamy recipe. And I think what makes this really different is actually the preserved mustard vegetables and the different pickled vegetables that you add in this, because you get some like salty, you get some tangy bits in there as you eat it, and it's really the perfect kind of noodle dish for summertime as well, because you're not, well, hot and bothered by the hot soup. Anyways, I hope you guys have all enjoyed that recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again real soon. Bye!